It's the boy Tragic. What's good? It's turned up in this motherfucker. Pull that, sit back, sit slow. You know what I'm saying?
Riding around and I'm getting it. Motherfucker try to get the money, then I spend it. Get a lot of cash in the bank and I roll up the dang. Nigga try to get it cause they want to vibe when it's making. The police roll up, they go to the window. See right, I stash the endo. Motherfucker freeze it like Nintendo. Motherfucker be riding around with bimbos. I don't give a fuck if it's dark or not. Bitch, your ass be down in the parking lot. Hold up, man, trying to get up in my lane. Niggas dolphins to pump in the brain. Pumping your gums and talking that shit. But your boss and whoop off, you pull that clip. You won't pull the trigger. I'm down for the nigga. Motherfucker be talking shit, I take your picture. Coming up to your house in the foes. Look like cheddar cheese, got a lot of hoes when I put him in your body. Going harder than Roddy, the nigga riding through the sheet. I looking like a Ducati, I'm going 9 in the miles, 9 in the mind, down in the line. But I don't wanna dime, looking for a dime, maybe even a 9. Maybe take another bitch and another name line. Going off that brain, going off the dome. Nigga be fucking around with them whole zones. You still get them from the sand and tone. Nigga try to get it, but I get it on my own. Riding in the cars, don't touch bars. Nigga be swinging the car, going real hard. Drink up in my cup, that's the cup. Bang your ass, you see in the trunk. Used to have them expeditions, nigga, going down in a killer competition. And I leave a nigga mission, and I killing these niggas, that's my only mission. And I take it to the top, never dropping. A nigga never gon' take till he pop. Till my heart stops, till I overdose. Till I can't put my hands in my clothes. Till my motherfucking lungs start breathing. Everything is out of my reach, but I put that world in my hand. Nigga, lie in that bitch, but I am the man. Put it on top, nigga, don't talk that shit, cause I'm about to bust it down. And a motherfucker trying to talk shit about the smile, but where that from? When you come around, you better run away. Motherfucker work hard because you're trying to get paid. Trying to take another nigga, but I ain't talking choppers because a motherfucker wing till like to get pop up. Got a lot of change, put it on the neck. Trying to get the cash, trying to catch a vibe for the check or the mic, then the red, but you rolls in the casket. Motherfucker beat back, but I pack it. Put it in the motherfucking flow head. If you wanna fuck around, then you wanna flow dead. Kill you in bed, maybe take it to the head. Fuck it, bitch. Go call the feds. 9-11, you better call the numbers. Better go ahead, get your mothers, get your fathers. I'ma get it really hotter cause I put them in the back of my Impala. Maybe in the trunk, but I got that keys to the Beamer. And I'm looking less than a steamer cause I'm gleaming. Motherfucker always be gleaming. But it seems like a lot of bitches hate, but they ain't shit. Talk a lot of shit, but I'm coming up with the clip. A motherfucker try to get it low, try to get a little pin. Going knee down, knock his those down. Motherfucker come around when I'm banging that shit. When I swing to the left, to the right, to the five, with the blood up tight. When I take another bite, feeling alright, set to div. When I turn that positive to a negative, hypocrisy, democracy, nigga be top of me. But a nigga ain't never be top of me. Motherfuckers be chopping, going the grain, gripping the grain, going insane. Taking a shot and I'm shooting the brain. Fuck you, nigga, better stay in the lane because I'm coming on my mind, but I'm doing me and I'm doing just fine. Ain't a damn thing free. I say fuck a bitch, I hate you, nigga, but I'm coming on down with that. Go figure.